Hello everyone. Let us start our day with a thought. Never regret a day in your life. Good days give you happiness and bad days give you experience. Children, we are going to start a new lesson today. That is lesson number 6, composition of matter. We will start with the heading, can you recall? Question number 1. What are the various states of matter? Last year you studied all this matter, states of matter, then types of matter. So what are the various states of matter? The various states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. What is the difference in ice, water and steam? Ice is a solid, water is a liquid and steam is a gas. What are the smallest particles of matter called? The smallest particles of matter are called atoms. What are the types of matter? The types of matter are element, compound and mixture. Here are the answers. The various states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Ice is a solid, water is a liquid and steam is a gas. The smallest particles of matter are called atoms. The types of matter are element, compound and mixture. Classify the following matter into three groups: cold drink, air, sharbat, soil, water, wood, cement. So children, can you classify these things into three different groups? Cold drink, sharbat and water, they come under liquid state. Then soil, wood and cement, they all come under solid state. And air comes under gaseous state. What are the states of matter that you used as criteria for above classification? The three different states are used here for the classification of these substances. First group is solid, second group is liquid and third group is gas. Here are the answers of questions stated in previous slide. We discussed them. Here one activity is shown. Some mustard seeds are taken in a transparent plastic jar. A big balloon is taken and at the center of big balloon a long thread is tied, and then this stretch diaphragm is fixed on the mouth of jar by means of rubber band. And this diaphragm means stretched membrane, it is pulled with the help of thread, first slowly, then with moderate force and then vigorously. Mustard seeds are taken in a transparent plastic jar. A big balloon is taken. To its center, a thread is tied and the stretched membrane is fixed on the mouth of the transparent plastic bottle. And with the help of thread, the diaphragm is stretched downwards with small force, then with moderate force, and then vigorously it is pulled down. So, what will be the observation? Can you have any idea of this activity? When the diaphragm is pulled slowly, vibration takes place. When diaphragm is pulled with moderate force, the extent of vibration increases. And when it is pulled vigorously, then the seeds they will move upward, and they will then after some time they will strike the bottom of the jar and they will fall on diaphragm and they will again move upward. So upward downward movement of mustard seeds are seen when the thread is pulled vigorously. So from this activity, it is clear that if we give energy more or less the mustard seeds, then they will start moving. And similarly, the particles in solid, liquid and gaseous state of matter, they will also show movement same as that of the mustard seeds. Understood the activity? An intermolecular force of attraction acts between the particles of matter. In solids, the particles are compactly arranged. They are very close to each other and they vibrate at their own position. Due to this, solid gets properties like definite shape, volume, and they are also have high density and they cannot compressed. They cannot be compressed. So intermolecular forces of attraction is very high in case of solid. Particles are compactly arranged and therefore solids have definite shape and volume and they have very high density, and solids are not compressed easily, they are non compressible. The strength of the strength of intermolecular force is moderate in case of liquid. Intermolecular force means the force which exists between molecules. It is not strong enough as compared to solids, so the particles uh, are not held tightly as like they were there in solids. Intermolecular forces of attractions are moderate here, and liquids have definite volume and they have the property of fluidity, and they did not take the shape, definite shape, and their shape changes according to the container. Intermolecular forces is very weak in gases. The particles of gases move freely and they occupy all the available space. Therefore, gases have neither definite shape nor definite volume. So, three physical states of matter are there: solids, liquids, and gaseous state. In solids, intermolecular forces of attractions are very high, they have definite shape and volume. Liquids, intermolecular forces of attractions are moderate, and in gases they are very weak. The particles of solid are very close to each other and vibrate at their fixed position. Due to this, solid get properties like definite shape and volume and also have high density and non-compressibility. The strength of intermolecular force is moderate in liquid state. Though it is not strong enough to fix the particles in definite position, it is strong enough to hold them together. As a result, liquids have definite volume. However, they have fluidity and their shape is not definite but changes in accordance with the container. The intermolecular force is very weak in gases, therefore, the constituent particles of gases move freely and occupy all the available space. Consequently, gases have neither definite shape nor definite volume. So, here is the chart which shows comparison between solid, liquids, and gaseous. Solids are rigid. They show plasticity property, they are elastic in nature, they have definite volume, their shape is definite. Compressibility means they cannot, compressibility is a property through which if we apply force, the things get compressed. So compressibility is negligible. Intermolecular force is very strong in solids and distance between the particle is minimum. Means in solid particles are compactly arranged. In fluid, intermolecular force of attraction is weak. They have definite volume. Their shape is indefinite. They occupy the shape. they take the shape of the container into which they are poured. Compressibility is very small, intermolecular forces are moderate, and distance between particles is moderate. Gaseous state, they are liquids and gaseous, both come under the same category, fluids. They have indefinite volume, indefinite shape, because intermolecular forces of attractions are very weak. Compressibility is very high. Gases can be compressed highly. Intermolecular force is very weak and distance between particles is very large. They are widely spread from each other. We will discuss next part in next video.